Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you all how you can get free food at McDonald's up until Christmas. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so like I said, we're going to be getting some free food from McDonald's all the way up until December the 24th. So, McDonald's did this last year where it was 12 days before Christmas and they gave us a free item every day leading up until Christmas, and they've brought that back again this year. Now, this year they've teamed up with Mariah Carey, and this is called the Mariah Menu. So, this did actually start on December the 13th, but like I said, it runs through December the 24th. So, you still have plenty of time to get in on these freebies. Now, you may be asking, how do I get in on these free food items, Crazy Coupons? Well, it's super simple and easy. All you have to do is download the app, and each day you do have to make a minimum of a $1 purchase. So you can pick something off of the dollar menu, pick you up a drink, a coffee, whatever you want, just as long as it is $1, and then add that free food daily deal to your order. So super simple and easy, and on a couple of these days they're going to be giving us an extra freebie. So let's see what we have planned out for our free food items up until December 24th. Alright guys, so today, December the 15th, we are going to be getting a free McCafe bakery item plus a free Mariah Carey beanie. Now, here's a big disclaimer on the Mariah Carey items that we're going to be getting. It does say that some McDonald's may not carry them, and it is also while supplies last. So let's all cross our fingers. I'm about to head out to McDonald's right now and see if mine actually is going to be carrying the extra Mariah Carey items. All right, moving on into tomorrow, December the 16th, we are going to be receiving a free 6-piece chicken McNuggets. And on December the 17th, we will have a free cheeseburger offer. And on December the 18th, we're going to be receiving some free hotcakes for breakfast. On December the 19th, we are going to be getting a free McDouble. And on December 20th, we are going to get a free baked apple pie. And on December the 21st, here's another one of those special days. So they're going to be giving us a free sausage McMuffin with egg and a free Mariah Carey t-shirt. So mark that down on your calendars. Then on December the 22nd, we are going to be receiving a free double cheeseburger. Then on December 23rd, we are going to get a free sausage biscuit. And we are going to end all of these freebies on a sweet note. With December 24th, we are going to be receiving a free chocolate chip cookies. And don't forget, today, December the 15th, and also on December the 21st, McDonald's will be including some free Mariah Carey merch. Now, I'm going to try to remember to make a post in the community tab each day with the freebie that's available at McDonald's. But if you want to go ahead and take a screenshot, here is a quick little overview of the calendar and what item is going to be free for that day. Now, also, when you download the McDonald's app, you're also going to be signing up for the McDonald's My Rewards program. So you're going to earn points every time that you make a purchase at McDonald's, and then those points are going to add up, and you can cash in those points for free food items. Now, another perk to downloading the McDonald's app is that they do have daily deals. Some of them are specified just for you. For instance, right now on my app, I have a buy one Big Mac, quarter pounder, 10-piece chicken McNugget, or fish fillet and get one for free. And that is an only for me deal. They also have buy a double cheeseburger or 6-piece McNugget and get one for free. And I'm assuming that that is for everyone right now on the app. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and order my free bakery item for today, and I'm going to head on out to McDonald's, pick up my order, and hopefully I'll come back with a free Mariah Carey beanie as well. So I will see you all in just a second and let y'all know how it went. Hey guys, good morning. Crazy Coupons here. So I just went through the McDonald's drive-thru and picked up my free food for the day. Now, I got up super early this morning because I was thinking today's the day, December the 15th, where we get a free McCafe bakery item, and a free Mariah Carey beanie. So I thought today would be a good day to go out and do this free food deal, right? Now, I was expecting the free beanie to be there at McDonald's, and it would just be like a while supplies last thing. So I wanted to be there first thing in the morning so that I could share with you all how everything went and if I actually got in on the deal. But it was a little bit disappointing. So basically, I opened my app, I put in my order. Once you download the app, you'll see it right there on the front home screen. They'll have the Mariah Menu, and you can add the deal to your order. Then you have to pick at least a $1 item and add that to your order. Now, I picked the sausage McMuffin. I think this was like $2 or $3. You do not have to pick this. You can pick a coffee or a drink or something that is just $1, something off the dollar menu. And then you'll get your free McCafe bakery item for free. Now, they gave me 3 options. I think it was like apple fritter bread or something like that, a cinnamon bun or cinnamon roll, and a blueberry muffin. I chose the blueberry muffin. So I'll pop up my receipt on the screen here so that you can check it out. I think I paid $3 and some odd change for both of these items. But like I said, you don't have to pick up a $2 or $3 item. You could pick up a $1 item, and it would be $1 for both of them. Okay. So like I said, I was expecting to get a free beanie. I thought, I would pull up, pick up my order, and it would just be like a while supplies last deal. Like all the McDonald's, or most of the McDonald's, would have the beanies there at the store, and that wasn't the case. So what happened was I pulled up, I put in my order, then the app will give you 3 different options. You can choose to go in to McDonald's and pick up your order there, or you can go through the drive-thru. If you choose that option, it will actually give you a code to tell the employee when you go up to the little place where you take your order. Or you can choose, it's something like contactless pickup, where you park in these specified parking spots, and then you text them that you're there, and they will bring your order out to you. So there's 3 different options that you can choose from there. All right, so I went through the drive-thru to try to make things easy. And once I had paid for my order, a screen popped up on my phone. It did give me the code, but then another screen popped up saying, okay, you're eligible for the free Mariah Carey beanie. So basically, you have to go to McDonald's, do your whole order, and then it's going to pop up a screen. Then you're going to have to put in your name and your address, and McDonald's is actually going to mail you out a free Mariah Carey beanie. Now, it does say that it can take 8 to 10 weeks. We will see how that goes. And I'm not sure if, it's like a while supplies last thing. So I'm not sure if after a certain amount of people redeem this offer, if it will actually tell you, okay, we have no more beanies left, so the deal is done, or if we'll just be waiting forever to see if we get a beanie in the mail. I'm not quite sure how that will work. But anyways, I did put in my information. It said that it would be here by February of 2022. Can't believe we're saying that already. So hopefully I will get a free Mariah Carey beanie in the mail here in a few weeks, but we will just have to wait and see. I'm not gonna lie, that was a little bit of a disappointment this morning, especially since I woke up super early to go and try to get in on this freebie. But anyways, you win some, you lose some, and then sometimes we just have to wait. We just have to wait on some deals, right? So anyways, I did get my free food, and I'm pretty excited about that. I've got breakfast ready to go for today. And yeah, hopefully you guys can get in on this deal too. Just put in your order, go pick it up. That little screen will pop up. You can put in your information for the free beanie, and that is today only, December the 15th. Now, here in a couple of days, we will have another deal where you can get a free Mariah Carey t-shirt. I'll pop up that date on the screen here for you. And I'm sure that that's going to be the same thing. You're going to have to put in your order for the Mariah Menu on that date, and then a screen will probably pop up. You put in your information, and then you're just going to have to wait on it to come in the mail. So there you guys go. There's some free food for us up until December the 24th. Yeah, hope you guys can get in on these deals. If you do, don't forget to leave it down in the comments below. Now I'm going to go and eat my food before it gets too cold, all right? Alright guys, so that's it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys can get out there and grab up some of these deals. Now, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.